dumbest freaking things ever, right? Wide body, 38s, long travel, super Pacific. I don't know what to say. Like, yo, what's up guys? We're here at Mountain Yotas. Freaking Yoda City over here. Rigs on rigs everywhere. Here's Dwight's truck. Absolutely unbelievable. I'll show you that in a minute. But wanted to give you a little sneak peek inside. They're doing cab mount relo. We're doing the archive garage shock relocation in the rear. 14-inch shock and some trail gear hydro bumps. All in preparation for the Dirtbox Overland Flatbed Train Canopy. Freaking pumped. Let's see if we can get a little bit of action inside the shop. It's probably gonna be loud. I think they're working on the cab mount relo right now. Got a new Tundra on the rack. Tacoma getting some suspension stuff. And then here's the truck with the bed off. All right, over here it's gonna be really loud, so I'll try to yell, but they have a Hunter alignment machine, and this Tacoma has the Marlin Crawler RCLT kit. It's getting a bunch of crazy stuff. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Obviously on stock tires, but here's a good look at the archive garage shock relocation that I'm doing to my truck. So previously the shock is over here and it goes this way, and so you have to cut that off and then you weld this big shock tower bucket in here. And I don't know if this is a 12 or 14-inch shock. Either way, you get massive amounts of travel. I am going to be running basically a prototype Dobinson long travel smoothie shock, just like this. I'm gonna be the first Tacoma running the new Dobinson stuff. So I'm freaking stoked to show that off and you know, put that through its paces. I love Dobinson products. For the time being, the Dobinson shocks have not made it from Australia yet. So we're going to be using some Fox shocks in its place just for a bit. And then when I get the new Dobinsons, we'll swap them out in the driveway. It'll be easy. So yeah, so we'll have this shock tower here. And then this is the bump stop. And so we're gonna cut this off and we're gonna bolt on the trail gear hydro bump stops right there. So we can go super fast and it's just gonna look good and perform really well at high speed. And so yeah, that's what that looks like. And then up front, this is the RCLT kit, and the All-Pro Off-Road kit that I'm going to be running is pretty similar to the RCLT. There's some differences here or there, but basically you get an insane amount of wheel travel out of the IFS, out of the front end. The whole axle moves up 2 inches, so you get room for bigger tires. It's just gonna be so awesome. So this is just, I wanted to show you guys what this looked like on this truck. It's kind of goofy with stock tires, but it'll be an absolute beast when it's finished. Let me go out in the parking lot and show you guys some more super cool rigs that they have out here. All right, so we're outside. Freaking awesome 80 series on 37s. I think its axle like exploded, so they're fixing that. I'll show you that in a minute. That was at the expo we were just at in Colorado. Solid axle swap with the trail gear componentry. 40-inch tires, just unbelievably cool. So we'll see that in a second. Over here, man, tons of stuff. We have a sweet FJ. I think some of these are the dudes that work here, but this thing's sweet. I think it's on Kings. Good stuff. Pure Blind is a wrap company that does some insane work, and they're the company who wrapped that 3rd gen. They wrapped the GOAT truck. They wrapped our Backwoods truck. Just a phenomenal artist. So sorry the lighting kind of blows, but here's some more rigs in the parking lot. Freaking awesome 4th gen. That's on 37s, bead locks, Fox, long travel, all the goodies. Got a stocky boy here. Tons of Tacomas. There's a Ram that just pulled in with a camper. And then I think this is Patrick's truck. Obviously the best color out here, but I'm not biased. Super sick. Right by the highway, so sorry if it's loud. What else we got? A Razor, because duh. Another Tacoma with the GFC. Super cool, man. All right, let's walk over here and I'll show you some of these vehicles. This is one of the sweetest Tundra builds. This is Nick, he works here. Another pure blind wrap on this thing. But what's really cool is he's got the full-size Dirtbox flatbed tray and canopy with the half box. So obviously it's half a box, right? You get this whole other spot that's like empty for cargo. You put your spare back there. You can throw whatever back here. So pretty awesome and versatile. You get the drawer here that you can pull out. You know, you got cargo boxes on the side. Mine will have some boxes too. Yeah, that opens up. Then he's got his tent up here. I think it's like a FSR tent, but freaking sick Tundra. Very well built, very functional. 37s, Kings, I think. Yeah, Kings, Baja kit. Bad to the bone, man. The guys here make the sweetest builds, like not only performance, but aesthetically pleasing too. And then this freaking weapon. So this is Dwight's truck. Wide body, just the dumbest freaking things ever, right? Wide body, 38s, long travel, super Pacific, freaking sweet wrap. Like, look at it in this light. And if you didn't know, Goat Shocks, it's their company, so it's their own shocks in here. They have glow in the dark coils, remote resis, everything. But like the details, man, like all the color matching everywhere, color matching up there, underneath even, totally next level. Here's some of the suspension, Baja kits, I think. Totally insane. We got a bunch of other rigs here, just lined up everywhere. Here's that RCLT that was on the alignment rack earlier. Kind of see a little bit better. But like, look at the clearance. Sweet. And then, oh yeah, I wanted to show you this 3rd gen 4Runner. All right, so this was at the show. I don't even know what to say. Like, totally cool. So it's like a UFO alien, like inspired build. So all the graphics on the wrap were AI generated. It's got UFO stuff. There's like a fog machine in here. The license plate says probe me. Here's the rear axle. Look at that. Gnarly. On 40s, probably the most aggressive 40s I've ever seen in my life. And these raw bumpers are pretty dope. I think it's clear coated. Look at that. Super tall. Here's some of the suspension in the back. Look at those arms. And then for now it's got a Bluetooth drive shaft, but I mean, they had to finish this thing pretty quick, so it's not totally buttoned up, but look at that. And here's a solid axle front. Just wild, dude. Totally sweet. All right, well, I actually have to leave. I'm not gonna be able to film the rear suspension and stuff getting welded on. But the guys at Mountain Yotas are gonna send me some clips that I'll put in this video so you can get some of the behind the scenes of that going on. So I'm about to head to Dirtbox Overland to check out the flatbed and everything, lay eyes on it before it goes on the truck and stuff. So yeah, the rest of this video will just be clips from the Mountain Yota guys. So Mountain Yota dudes, thanks for filming while I'm not there. So yeah, I can't wait to flex this thing out and get everything done. So shout out to Mountain Yotas, appreciate you guys. So I'll end the video here, but you know, after this it's gonna be clips from them. So thank you guys, appreciate it.